depression. Yours is like you're going to be sick.
Can't burp on demand, can you? But that's all that happens, is just...
If I feel that'll be it.
Diet Coke does it best, doesn't it? There must be some trapped somewhere, because it's hurting.
I need to get another little 1 hour thing.
She'll say things like this.
Don't make me laugh.
Better concentrate.
This is going to be the last one. Hang on, let me have a breath. Put it in the back of my throat, not last one.
Open your mouth wider.